My favourite way to install applications in Ubuntu 12.10 and 13.04 is to use the Unity Dash. From the application lens, you can browse through and search all of the applications available in the Ubuntu Software Center, including those added via third-party PPAs or repositories. From the application lens, you just type in an application name or keyword, give it a right click so you can preview it and make sure it's what you want, then hit the free download button to begin installation. Enter your user password if prompted, and then sit back. You can track the progress of an installation by just glancing at the Unity launcher. When the app is finished installing, it'll give itself a little shake to notify you, and then you can click on it, and away you go. There are a few drawbacks. Whilst you can search through, browse and preview paid applications, you can't yet buy them without using the Ubuntu Software Center. The good news is that in-dash app payments are expected to arrive in the next release of Ubuntu. This drawback also affects free applications submitted by third-party developers through Ubuntu's App Developer Portal. Applications can also be removed in the same way. Just find an app you have, right-click on it to preview it, hit the uninstall button, and then watch as it vanishes in the blink of an eye.
Hello YouTube, in this video I am gonna show you how to install and run Windows programs on Ubuntu 11.10 using Wine. First of all, you need to enter in your terminal and type sudo apt-get install winetricks. Then press enter. Then you need to type your password. And now you need to press Y and press enter. Now once you have finished installing Wine, you need to get in a Windows software. I have got here a Power ISO, and you need to right click it, go to properties, and in permission you need to tick on allow executing file as program. Then you need to right click it, open with, then select Wine Windows Program Loader. Then your program is loaded and you can install it in your Ubuntu. Now Power ISO has been successfully installed, and after installation the icon will be appeared in your desktop. You need to click it. Then your Power ISO is loaded. Now we can mount ISO, unmount it using Power ISO in Ubuntu 11.10. Hope you all enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.
Hi, my name is Nathan Neal from nathanneal.com, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use the Ubuntu Software Center to go out and find applications. So before, a lot of people didn't like Ubuntu because you would normally have to go through the terminal to install different software packages. But in the last few versions of Ubuntu, and even more so in the newer version 11.04, Ubuntu has launched the Ubuntu Software Center to make finding and installing applications easier. So to get to the Software Center, you can go up and click on Applications, and then click on Ubuntu Software Center. And once it loads up, you'll see that there's a variety of departments that you can look into for different software. So if you're not sure of exactly what you want, you can go through here and look for different applications. For example, if you're looking for developer tools, you can click on that department, and it'll load up the other various development tools that are available through the Ubuntu Software Center. You can do that for other various things like office productivity software, sound and video, and education, and a whole variety of things, including games, if you want to install more games onto your Ubuntu machine. Now in this tutorial I'm going to walk you through the installation of Skype through the Ubuntu Software Center. So we know what we're looking for, so we can go into the search bar and type in Skype. And there you'll see that it comes up, so we can go ahead and click on that. Now you'll see that there's an install over on the right hand side, and if we click that, it's going to ask us to authenticate, so go ahead and type in the administrator password, and then click on Authenticate. Now it's installing onto your system, but if you had wanted to get more information, you can always click on the More Info button, which will provide you with a little more information about Skype and what all it does. So if you're looking at a new piece of software and want to see some information about it in the ratings, you can click on More Info to get more information about that product. Now you'll see on the left hand side that we have one installation in progress, which is our Skype installation, so we can go ahead and click on that and see how our installation is going. So let's give this a few minutes and then I'll come back. Okay, so now we can see that Skype has been installed and it tells you when it was installed. So now we can close out of the Ubuntu Software Center and go into Applications and go down to Internet, and there you'll see that Skype has been installed and it's there on the system. Now that's a lot easier than it used to be, and it sure makes Ubuntu a lot easier for people that aren't familiar with how to use the terminal. So that's my tutorial on how to use the Ubuntu Software Center, and be sure to check out nathanneal.com for more tutorials on how to use Ubuntu and other operating systems. And we also have tutorials for programming languages and other things, so be sure to check us out. Thank you.